Economist, economist, economist. The economist predicted that the global economy would recover after the recession. Executive director, executive director, executive director. The executive director led the company through a period of rapid growth. Financial advisor, financial advisor, financial advisor. The financial advisor helped the family plan for their retirement savings. HR manager, HR manager, HR manager. The HR manager is responsible for hiring and training new employees. Manager, manager, manager. The manager organized a team-building event to improve staff morale. Marketing director, marketing director, marketing director. The marketing director developed a new strategy to increase brand awareness. Office worker, office worker, office worker. The office worker spent the day answering emails and scheduling meetings. Project manager, project manager, project manager. The project manager ensured that all tasks were completed on time. Receptionist, receptionist, receptionist. The receptionist greeted visitors and directed them to the appropriate department. Salesman, saleswoman. Salesman, saleswoman. Salesman, saleswoman. The salesman helped the customer choose the perfect laptop for his needs. Secretary, secretary, secretary. The secretary took minutes during the meeting and prepared the agenda for the next one. Baker, baker, baker. The baker baked fresh bread every morning for the local market. Cashier, cashier, cashier. The cashier counted the change and handed it to the customer. Florist, florist, florist. The florist arranged a beautiful bouquet of roses for a wedding. Hairdresser, hairdresser, hairdresser. The hairdresser gave me a stylish haircut for the party. Sales assistant, sales assistant, sales assistant. The sales assistant helped me find the perfect size for my shoes. Shopkeeper, storekeeper, shopkeeper, storekeeper, shopkeeper, storekeeper. The shopkeeper greeted customers warmly as they entered the store. Store manager, store manager, store manager. The store manager is responsible for overseeing staff and inventory. Tailor, tailor, tailor. The tailor altered my suit to fit perfectly. Travel agent, travel agent, travel agent. The travel agent helped us book flights and a hotel for our vacation. Database administrator, database administrator, database administrator. The database administrator ensures the company's data is secure and well organized. Programmer, programmer, programmer. The programmer wrote code to improve the app's performance. Software developer, software developer, software developer. The software developer created a new app to help people track their expenses. Web designer, web designer, web designer. The web designer redesigned the website to make it more user-friendly. Actor, actor, actor. The actor played the main role in the new action movie. actress, actress, actress. The actress won an award for her outstanding performance in the drama. Artist, artist, artist. The artist painted a stunning landscape of the countryside. Comedian, comedian, comedian. The comedian made the audience laugh with his witty jokes. Composer, composer, composer. The composer wrote a beautiful symphony that moved everyone to tears. Dancer, dancer, dancer. The dancer performed a graceful ballet routine on stage. DJ, DJ, DJ. The DJ kept the party alive with an energetic mix of music. Editor, editor, editor. The editor carefully reviewed the article before it was published. Fashion designer, fashion designer, fashion designer. The fashion designer showcased her latest collection at the runway show. Film director, film director, film director. The film director worked closely with the actors to create a masterpiece. Graphic designer, graphic designer, graphic designer. The graphic designer created an eye-catching logo for the new brand. Illustrator, illustrator, illustrator. The illustrator drew colorful images for the children's book.